coming up, it's there. It's there. You've got to press it on you. You just think it. That's what you do, baby. Hold it down there. Jump with the moment, move it. Jump back and forth and feel like you were there yourself. Work it out. You've got to press it on you. You just think it. That's what you do, baby. Hold it down there. Jump with it all and move it. Jump back and forth and feel like you were there yourself. Work it out.
Yo, hey yo, back in '88, son was getting a little paper. Poured a few stings, rocked the fat rope cables. Pushed the white Mercury Sable, known for holding heat. Ferragamo mocks on his feet. Serpents whisper, you can smell the deceit. They greet me like peeps to blend and try to befriend. To get up underneath the skin, my long wind. I blow your head, peach to grease. Murder one team, Borsellini noodle had lean. Microphone fiend, step into the rhythm. This is how I'm serving them. No need for medical attention, I just murdered them. Murdered them, pussy. Murdered them. I just murdered them.
I'm a dip diver, socializer. I'm a hoop flat top rule and 89er. They say rugged, by now you should've at least blown. It's funny, I'm mad famous for being unknown. I'm just a dirty motherfucker, they hate my guts. All I talk about is bitches and busting nuts. Yeah, I got a foul mouth, yeah, I cuss too much. I'm just so Ricky Ricardo, ridiculous. And I ain't got no fly whip, I still ride the bus. I got Mitch Blood Green on the scene with us. Hospitable, hittable, cooler than diggable, criminal, miracle, lyrical. Take every syllable, literal, little riddle, profitable, visible, irritable, little brittle, pitiful, fistal, do little, you tickle, you typical. Yeah, I talk shit, I'm cocky with it. It's hard for you to admit it, but I'm one of the best in it.
My mind is haunted, filled with the extension of slaves. This torment, slow down my steps, 1 foot from the grave. The carnage, a young black males, they lick pon gay. Son of the morning, roast their souls, tell minister come pray. It's gun trade inside of smoky apartments. Slow process, 1-9, 2 texts, 4 revolvers. Coke overballing kettles, it's like we struck all in the ghettos. We supply to addicts, the devil work, we practice. It's like we search backwards till they throw the dirt on our casket, and that's it. I live where the fiends are knotting. It's just a scene of the projects, similar to Osama's.